Hey everyone, in this video I will tell you how you can unblock your Uber driver account. If your account has been blocked, then you can contact with Uber support team and unblock your driver account. So for that, just open your any browser and search for Uber help. Simply search for Uber help. And inside this is the first website in front of you, Uber help. Click on this website. Now here you will get many options. To select this riders option, the first option, riders option. Now here scroll down and here you will see an option called accounts. Click on this account option. Now again scroll down. Now click on I need to contact with support team. Click on this. Now when you click on this, a form will be appear in front of you. Now just you have to fill up this form. Just write your number, your Uber account name, then your reason why your account has been blocked. You think why your account has been blocked. After filling this form, just you will click on submit, and now Uber support team will contact you on your email, on your provided email. So in this way, there will be some solution for your Uber account.